Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Faizun Nasa Chaudhuri. Welcome to my channel Learn with Faizun Nasa. On my first lecture, you have already learned the basic concept of computer network. Today, I am going to discuss about the most significant part of networking, that is network topology. So, before I start my topic of network topology, you must know about what is topology. Topology actually refers to the configuration of cables, computers and other peripherals. Another important note, that is, my lecture will help you to attempt your written exam. So, follow all the terms and definition carefully. Topology has mainly two parts. One is physical, another is logical or wireless. Today we are going to focus on physical topology. Physical topology basically parts in 5 types. One is mesh, 2 is tree, third one is string, fourth one is star and fifth one is bus topology. Here I have figured out the topologies in a easy to complex. The most easy topology, that is the nodal system, is easy to implement, that is bus topology, then star, then ring, then tree, and the last one, mesh topology, is most complex in implement. The first network topology is bus topology, the most easiest topology of network continent. In this type of topology, there is all the nodes are connected to the single cable. That single cable is actually called as a bus. Every workstation communicates with the other devices through this bus. Here you can see the picture. The middle line of the station is actually called as a bus. Advantages of bus topology. This is very easy to implement and extend. And the other one is cable length required for this topology is the least compared to other network. The disadvantages of bus topologies are, if the main cable encounters any problem, then the whole network breaks down and it is very difficult to detect and troubleshoot fault in an individual station. The second topology is star topology. Star topology actually consists of a central node in which all other nodes are connected. The central node provides a common connection point for all nodes through a hub. Every node is connected to a central node called a hub or switch. Here you can see there is a hub in the middle of all computer network. So you can understand easily how to implement star topology. Here I have mentioned advantages and disadvantages of star topology together. Advantages of star topology is actually this is a very good performing skill, easy to set up and to expand, and any non-centralized failure will have very little effect on the network. The disadvantages of star topologies are actually the nodes are connected to the main computer. So this is very expensive to install and there will be extra hardware is also required to implement this topology. The third network topology is ring topology. In case of ring network, each node connects to exactly two other nodes, forming a single continuous pathway for sending data through each node. Here you can see a ring topology is an exact pathway. The advantages of ring topologies are, this topology is a very ordinary network because here devices has been already connected, and the performance is also better than bus topology because of under heavy network load it can manage properly, and it doesn't require a central node to manage the connectivity between the computer. Ring topology have some severe disadvantages. Number one is, in the ring topology, data packets must pass through every computer between the sender and recipient. Therefore, this makes it very slower. And number two is, if any of the nodes fail, then the ring is broken and data cannot be transmitted successfully. And number three is, it is difficult to troubleshoot the ring. And number 4 is troubleshooting is a form of problem solving often applied to repair and produce or processes, so that we can understand the ring topology is not so easy in implement, and to get output this is not a very good in network system. The fourth topology is tree topology. In this topology, two or more hubs or computers are connected to one another in a succession of levels. In this figure, you can see an intricate of multiple stud topologies are together onto one bus. In its simplest form of only hub devices connect directly to the tree bus, and each hub functions as on the root of the trees of devices. This hybrid approach supports future expandability of a network. There are so many advantages of tree topology. This is an extension of star and bus topologies, and this is really very easy in expanding network. The whole network has been divided into a segment which can be easily managed and maintained. If one segment is damaged, other segments are not affected, so that it can run thoroughly with this network system. In tree topology, there are so many advantages. So, here is a very less chances of disadvantages, rather than as more and more nodes or segments in added, the maintenance become difficult. The last and fifth one network topology is mesh network topology. A mesh network topology is a decentralized design in which each node on the network connects to at least two other nodes. This is actually a reverse version of tree topology. Here you can see there are so many computers, but all computers are connected with each other. Compare of other topologies, mesh topology has so many advantages. Data can be transmitted from different devices simultaneously here, and this topology can withstand high traffic. And the second very important and efficient advantages is, even if one of the components fail, there is always an alternative present. So data transfer doesn't get affected. And the third one is, expansion and modification can be done without disrupting other nodes. Disadvantages of mesh topologies are the setup and maintenance of this topology is very difficult. Even administration of the network is tough also. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my descriptive lecture on network topology, please do subscribe.